If you want to move Epic Games to another drive, this tutorial will show you two methods. The first is the safest official method, and the second is a fast trick that can save you from downloading the whole game again. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the official method. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game you want to move, click the three dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. This removes the game from your current drive, but it does not change your account or purchase. Once that is done, click Install again. When the install window appears, choose the new drive, such as D drive or E drive, and then let the game install there normally. This is the safest method because Epic handles everything for you automatically. Now, if you do not want to re-download the full game, there is a faster method. First, go to the current game folder on your computer and copy the entire game folder to the new drive. For example, you could place it in D/Epic Games. After copying it, rename the copied folder by adding something like _temp to the name. This helps keep it separate while you prepare the launcher. Next, go back to the Epic Games launcher and uninstall the game from your library. After that, start the installation again, but this time choose the same new drive where you copied the folder. Let the download run for just a few seconds, then pause it. Epic will create a small new folder for the fresh install, and that is what we need to replace. Now delete that newly created small folder from the install location. Then rename your copied folder back to the original game folder name. Make sure the name matches exactly. Once that is done, return to the launcher and resume the download. Instead of downloading the entire game again, Epic should detect the existing files and switch to verifying them. That means it checks the files you already copied and only downloads anything missing or damaged. This trick can save a huge amount of time, especially for large games. Just make sure the folder path and folder name are correct, because even a small mistake can force the launcher to start over. If the verification works, your game will now be moved to the new drive without a full re-download. So to recap, use the official uninstall and reinstall method if you want the safest option, or use the copy, pause, replace, and verify method if you want the fastest option. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy gaming and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.